This is day 5 of our Okinawa trip. Today is a nature observation day. We went to look for animals in tide pools. First, we went to Maeda Cape. But the wind was very strong, and the waves were high. We tried to go at low tide, but there were not many tide pools today. So we decided to try another place. Next, we went to Okashi Goten in Onna. It is a famous Okinawan sweets shop and also a popular souvenir store. There's also a small beach nearby, so we went to the beach too. It was winter, but as you can see, a t-shirt was totally fine. But we still could not find many animals. Maybe there are fewer tide pool creatures in winter. Then we paused the nature search for lunch. We went to a famous Okinawa soba restaurant called Nakamura Soba. This place is very popular. It is even in guidebooks. I have been here many times. You can enjoy a wide ocean panorama while you eat. To be honest, it is amazing. The wind was strong, but the sea breeze felt warm and comfortable. Next, we drove to Kouri Island. It is in Nakijin village in northern Okinawa. The view from Kouri Bridge is stunning. In summer, the ocean looks even more blue. We looked for a good tide pool spot on the island. We headed to Kouri Beach in the north. We walked around and searched, but we could not find a good tide pool. By the way, Kouri Island has a famous rock called Heart Rock. It is a heart-shaped rock and a popular photo spot. What do you think? Does it look like a heart? After that, we went to a nearby cafe called FUKURUBI. Yes, it was winter, but we had shaved ice. We also tried a bright blue soda. This cafe also has a great ocean view. Very nice. Next, we went to a theme park on Kouri Island called Ocean Tower. We rode an electric cart up to the top. The ocean view from higher up was beautiful. One of the highlights here is the Shell Museum. As the name says, many shells are displayed here. Most of them are from around Okinawa. Some shells are small, like the size of your palm. Others are too big to hold in one hand. They come in many colors, white, yellow, and very vivid patterns. We saw many kinds of shells, like thorny shells and cowrie shells. The kids were very excited. Then we went up to the upper floors of the tower. There is an observation deck. You can see all around the island. And at the very top, there was a bell. The kids tried it too, but it was not easy. Okay, well done. On the lower floor, there's also a souvenir shop. You can buy Kouri Island limited goods there. Finally, we went to Kouri Beach near the base of Kouri Bridge. In Okinawa, the sand is so white and beautiful. We picked up shells and the kids played chase with the waves. That's it for day 5. It was very windy and we could not find a perfect tide pool, but we will try again tomorrow. See you in the next video.